And we begin tonight with that breaking news as we come on the air on the West Coast. There is a developing hostage situation at a synagogue near Fort Worth, Texas. Just moments ago, one person was released unharmed. The incident happening during a Sabbath service that was being live streamed. Authorities say a rabbi and at least 3 others were taken hostage. The FBI and ATF are on the scene now, along with local officials. According to a law enforcement source, the armed suspect is demanding the release of a convicted terrorist. Authorities say he was carrying backpacks and claimed to have explosives, but authorities do not yet know if that's true. President Biden has been briefed, and the White House says he is monitoring the situation. ABC's Maria Villarreal leads us off from Texas.
Tonight, a dangerous hostage situation in North Texas, drawing a massive response from FBI, SWAT teams, and several local police departments. The situation unfolding at the Congregation Beth Israel Synagogue in a suburb outside Fort Worth.
The entire Jewish world understands and knows about this incident. I've had many calls from Israel, and we are here to support the community in any way we can.
The suspect interrupting services on the Sabbath.
The absolute key in hostage negotiation is gathering information. How much information can you gather, either through the hostage taker or through other means? How many people are in there? Is there anybody that's hurt? And what is his state of mind?
Sources familiar with the investigation telling ABC News they believe 4 people, including a rabbi, are being held inside by a man demanding the release of a known Pakistani terrorist being held behind bars in a federal prison, sentenced to 86 years for trying to kill U.S. soldiers and FBI agents in Afghanistan. Late tonight, police saying one hostage, a man, was released unharmed. The White House, ATF, and Department of Homeland Security now closely monitoring the situation.
There's a limit how long this could probably go before law enforcement may have to make a decision about whether to go in or not.
Leaders of the local Islamic Association condemning today's actions, standing in support of the rabbi and other hostages inside.
When somebody is acting as a criminal, the person has no faith, be it Muslim, Jewish, or Christian. Criminal is a criminal.
Maria Villarreal joins us from near the scene tonight. And Maria, what more are we learning about this terrorist who the hostage taker is demanding be released?
We understand that her name is Afiya Siddiqui. She is a former Pakistani neuroscientist. She is at the crux of the demands being made by this suspect. Right now, FBI, local, state law enforcement, right now they're trying to figure out what his exact connection is to this woman. Meanwhile, synagogues around the country remain on high alert, including several right here in the Dallas area, as this investigation continues. Whit?
All right, Maria, with those fast-moving developments, we'll stay on top of it. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.